Another thing that we must educate ourselves about as South African citizens is that the laws of our country, specifically the Criminal Procedures Act, allows you as a citizen of South Africa to effect a citizen's arrest. If you witness a crime being committed, or you have reasonable suspicion that a crime was committed, you have every right to arrest the suspect and hand them over to the nearest police station. And in arresting that suspect, the law empowers you to apply reasonable and necessary force towards that suspect. As long as, one, the person has committed a Schedule 1 criminal offense. I'll come back to that. Secondly, your intention is not to victimize or harm the person. Your intention is to arrest the person and hand them over to the nearest police station. Now, I won't go into the whole list of what Schedule 1 criminal offenses are, but I will say this, that illegal immigration, entering our country without going through the necessary and legal processes of entering this country, that's a Schedule 1 criminal offense. So every illegal foreigner in this country is a criminal. As a citizen of this country, you don't even have to negotiate anything with that person. They are criminals and they must be treated as such. And you have every right, according to our laws, to arrest that person. As a citizen, you don't even need law enforcement to be present. You don't need to be an immigration officer for you to demand that the suspect shows you their passport to prove that they did not contravene the Immigrations Act. As long as you have reasonable suspicion that this person has contravened the Immigrations Act, or you have actually witnessed them contravening that act, you are within your rights as a citizen of South Africa to arrest that person and send them to the nearest police. Now, what this means is that we, as the community, it is time for us to come together and go door to door, house to house, shop to shop, and round these illegal foreigners who are actually criminals. We don't have to negotiate anything with them. Whether we find them in the clinics, whether we find them in the schools, in the streets, in the shops, we don't have to negotiate anything with them. As long as we have reasonable suspicion that they have contravened the Immigrations Act. If they have not contravened the Immigrations Act, they can show us their paperwork to see that, no, I have not contravened that. Here is my paperwork. I am here legally. Then we have nothing against that person. But if the person is unable to prove us wrong, then we are within our rights to arrest that person. This is not talking to denying people access to healthcare, especially people who are in emergency situations. This is not talking to that. This is talking to the fact that whenever we come across an illegal foreigner in this country, we are coming across a criminal, and the person must be treated as such. They are a criminal. They don't have any rights that they can negotiate with us. They only have the rights that every criminal has, and they must be treated as such. They must be read their rights and be taken to the nearest police station. They don't deserve anything. They don't deserve to be in our schools. They don't deserve anything. They are criminals. They must be treated as such, and we don't have to negotiate a damn thing with them. It is time that we exercise our powers as citizens. It is good if we can do this with law enforcement, but with or without law enforcement, we are empowered by the Criminal Procedures Act to effect a citizen's arrest. And illegal immigration, entering our country without the necessary paperwork that permits you to be in our country. You are a criminal, you have contravened the Immigrations Act, you have committed a Schedule 1 offense. Every citizen of this country has a right to arrest you and send you to the nearest police station. It is time that we start doing this. It is our right. There is no court of law that can take this away from us. There is no court ruling that can ever take this right away from us. We need to start doing this. We need to come together. We need to start rounding up these illegal foreign criminals and send them to the nearest police station for the police and the courts to do as they are supposed to do with them. But when we see them on our streets, when we see them in our clinics, in our hospitals, in our schools, it is our right to arrest them, take them to the nearest police station. There's nothing wrong in doing that.
DJ Zinhle ungayishiyi oyindoda yakho, ungawulingi uyidivorce indoda yakho. Yabona ke manje uvele uyithande kakhulu. Ongazi emaphephandaba isanda ukukhipha iproof ukuthi ihusband ka DJ Zinhle iyamshithela. Iproof ama-screenshots of ama-conversation, ama-screenshots of ama-video call, ama-screenshots of ama-Uber, nje kuningi. Yabo mina DJ Zinhle mina ngibona umona la. Yazini inkinga ukuthi wena nendoda yakho niyafanelana. Niyo DJ aba successful both no two, nibahle no two, niyafanelana. Yinhle nje into yeni iyancomeka. Why uside chick bezogijima kumaphephandaba akhipha iproof ukuthi yena betshela indoda yakho yena acela ukuthi bamgcine abe anonymous. Yena singamazi ukuthi uba. Awuboni ngani ukuthi ufuna ukuhlaza wena, ufuna ukuthi ishwa livelele wena, ngoba manje wonke umuntu uthi uDJ Zinhle ufabelwe ihusband yakhe, uDJ Zinhle ufabelwe ihusband yakhe. Ugele why yena engaphumisa imibuzo ukuthi befuna nendoda eshadile azagijime neproof yakhe kumaphephandaba. Also why ezophuma neproof namhlanje kumaphephandaba? Yini befuna imali? Yini befuna indoda yakho Zinhle ikushiye wena kubo yena uDJ Zinhle omusha thathwa yena? Uyabona ke manje njengoba ugele sekhiphile iproof kumaphephandaba ukuthi betshela nendoda yakho, even though indoda yakho ishade nawe, ungaxoxa nendoda yakho uyitshela ukuthi kuphula inhliziyo bla 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 kwashacime futhi amalanga, kodwa bese niphuma endlini uvele uyibambe isandla, uvele uyithanda kakhulu, uvele uyithanda kakhulu le nhlobo eyisicefe ukuze ifebe nazo nalezi ezizayo zibone ukuthi shame. Lapho sokuzimoshela isikhathi umshado lowa ophelele yinhle Zinhle into yenu sisi, futhi ngathi ngabusiseka, futhi indoda yakho nje ungakulingi uyishiye, futhi uvele uzibe kakhulu. Ozofika kuwena athi uZinhle isilima usenendoda yakhe ngisho umfebelile, uthi futhi sisi ngizotshela manje aqali ngawo futhi agcini ngawe. Kade amadoda bebafabela, kade amadoda bebafabela, futhi ke indoda yake ngesizulu ayifebi sokuyisoka. Sesingayishiya indoda yakho, vele uyithanda kakhulu, vele uyisupporta kakhulu, kuzodlula kuzovela kusheshe kudlule manje.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. This man is sending a message to South Africans. Uthi as my South Africans sine rights ukuthi sibabophise abantu labangene la South Africa ngalokungekho emthethweni, sibabita ngema-illegal foreigners. Uthi sinelungelo lokuba hand over futhi to our nearest police station because baphule umthetho la South Africa kahle kahle. Labantu labo basuke badigebengu, so sinelungelo lwethu kokuthi siba hand over emaphoyiseni, ilungelo lethu lokuthi singabavumeli bangene ema-clinic nasetibhedlela, ilungelo lethu njena sibantu baseMzansi. So abangasindi sifile ngazuthi khona mthetho lesiwuphula kumasenda loko abantu be-Operation Dudula barongo ukuthi bebavimbela ukuthi bangangeni ema-clinic nasetibhedlela because it's our right. Badigebengu njengoba bafikela South Africa ngalokungekho emthethweni. Moving right along siyendzabeni ya DJ Zinhle. So DJ Zinhle siyati ukuthi umaphephandaba ikhiphe evidence ke sanokuthi Mudabongs vele ujola nalentwana bathi Kimberly entombatana lena 22 years old. So unono send a message to DJ Zinhle uthi akangamlahli kuMudabongs nanoma engabe sowubonile ukuthi maphephandaba ukhiphile vele proof kokuthi umuda uyamjolela, but akangamlahli because bantu batojabula nayo leya side chick efona lokho vele wayehamba yokhipha etigaqa laphana kumaphephandaba anonymously uthi angamlahli amthanze nebantu batokhona ukuthi bajabe because baningi labalenzile ukuthi hayibo batohlukana uthi kudzala amadoda achitha aqali ngaye futhi akugcini ngaye. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Do you think i-advice yanoni i-right? Mina nawe sidibonana next time. Goodbye.